Hello everybody and welcome to Discover with Timothy channel. Today I am taking you to visit the newest hotel that has just opened in Penang. Yes, I'm talking about Iconic Marjorie Hotel, a tribute portfolio hotel in Sungai Nibong, Penang. The hotel opened on the 7th of December 2024 and in a few days from now, on the 28th of December, it will have its official soft opening. However, my wife and I were privileged to have a staycation at this hotel on the 20th to 21st of December, and I've created this video to show you this hotel. And not only that, I will show you the location on Google Maps and provide you some information. And then we'll go to visit the hotel, go through the video, and I'll take you all over the hotel to see every part of it. Okay, if you're ready, let's get going. So to begin with, where is Iconic Marjorie Hotel? Well, let me show it to you on Google Maps. Iconic Marjorie Hotel, there you are. Iconic Marjorie Hotel, Penang, a tribute portfolio hotel. And it is here in Sungai Nibong. This is where it is, very close to the Sungai Nibong bus terminal. Here it is, and it is right next to the elevated stretch of the Jalan Sultan Azlan Shah. Let me drop the Pac-Man to show you where it is. There we are. And here's the completed hotel from September 2024. So this is a pretty recent Google Street View of the hotel. So this is the hotel. Yes, they were just putting the finishing touches here before the opening of the hotel on the 7th of December. And for information on Iconic Marjorie Hotel, you can refer to my webpage at Penang Travel Tips. So look for Iconic Marjorie Hotel. I'll put the link in the description down below. And here we are, and all the information that you will need about the hotel, such as what are the facilities, how many rooms, what sort of room amenities, what are the food and beverage outlets, and so on. Every detail is here, along with a map of Sungai Nibong to show you the location. So Iconic Marjorie Hotel is number 57 over here on this map, and all the other places in Sungai Nibong are likewise numbered and pinned, so you can just click on any of them. For example, if I click on Iconic Marjorie Hotel, then I will get this information and the details are here. So all this is on my website, and there are also photographs of it, as well as photos of the hotel under construction. So here you can see the various stages of construction of the hotel. And now let's go to see the hotel itself.
Step into the lobby grand, where history takes your hand. Whispers of the past so near, in elegance they appear. Piranha can dreams in every corner. Straits Chinese art gets warmer. patterns weave a story told in rooms adorned with secrets old. Marjorie, where the heart meets soul, every stay makes you feel whole. Nyonya spice and tales untold at Marjorie, where magic unfolds. Lace and wood in harmony, reflections of each memory. Tiles that sing in vibrant hue, echo voices old yet new. Feast on flavors rich and wise, Nyonya plates a sweet surprise. Dining halls with charm so dear, a heritage that draws you near. Marjorie, where the heart meets soul, every stay makes you feel whole. Nyonya spice and tales untold at Marjorie, where magic unfolds. Lace and wood in harmony, reflections of each memory. Tiles that sing in vibrant hue, echo voices old yet new.
By the sea in Penang's embrace, iconic Marjorie sets the pace. Straits Chinese weave tales untold, Peranakan dreams unfold. Walls adorned with heritage fair, colors bright in the fragrant air. Nyonya feasts on silver trays, in this hotel old meets new way. Stay the night in Marjorie's glow, feel the past in the modern flow. Echoes whisper in each hall, timeless beauty stands tall. Teakwood floors where footsteps dance, stories shared in each room's glance. Lantern lights at twilight hour, guiding hearts to love's tower. Ancient charms in modern frame, every corner sings a name. Marjorie's magic wraps around, where culture and comfort are found. Stay the night in Marjorie's glow, feel the past in the modern flow. Echoes whisper in each hall, timeless beauty stands tall. sea in Penang's embrace. Iconic Marjorie sets the pace. Straits, Chinese weave tales untold. Piranha can dreams unfold. Walls adorned with heritage fare. Colors bright in the fragrant air. Nyonya feasts on silver trays. In this hotel, old meets new way. Stay the night in Marjorie's glow. Feel the past in the modern flow. Echoes whisper in each hall. Timeless beauty stands tall. Teakwood floors where footsteps dance. Stories shared in each room's glance. Lantern lights at twilight hour, guiding hearts to love's tower. Ancient charms in modern frame. Every corner sings a name. Marjorie's magic wraps around, where culture and comfort are found. Stay the night in Marjorie's glow. Feel the past in the modern flow. Echoes whisper in each hall. Timeless beauty stands tall. Checking at the Marjorie, feel the vibe. With Straits, Chinese culture come alive. Piranha con dreams in the decor bright. Nyonya cuisine to light up the night. Iconic Marjorie in Penang town, where heritage and modern vibe go round. From the art to the food, it's all so grand. Marjorie's the place you'll understand. Walk through halls of vibrant greens and reds. Feel the history that's been well spread. Tales of the past in every corner found. Yeah, cutting edge in every single sound. The sound. Iconic Marjorie in Penang town, where heritage and modern vibe go round. From the art to the food, it's all so grand. Marjorie's the place you'll understand. Chic and chic is where you find this gem, with a twist of culture in its hem. East meets west in harmony, so true. At Marjorie's you'll find your tune. Rest your head where stories intertwine. Modern comforts with the classic shine. Every detail speaks of love and care. Marjorie's the jewel beyond compare. Rest your head where stories intertwine, modern comforts with a classic shine. Every detail speaks of love and care. Marjorie's the jewel beyond compare.